We'll guide you through how to send Telegram bulk message. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many users want to send the same message to multiple contacts quickly without typing it repeatedly. They may not know how to use the forward feature efficiently. Clear guidance helps save time, improve communication, and ensure important announcements, promotions, or updates reach everyone at once. To begin this tutorial, click the Telegram app on your home screen to open it, and wait until the application fully loads on your device. Once the app is open, click Contacts in the bottom left corner of the screen to view your saved contact list. After that, click Search at the top of the Contacts page so you can find a specific person. Then type the contact's name to send a message in the search bar and wait for the result to appear. Once it appears, click the contact to open the chat window. Next, click Message at the bottom of the screen to activate the text input field. Then write the message you want to send in bulk carefully in the message box, making sure the content is clear and correct before sending it. Once you have finished typing the message, click the send icon on the right side of the message box to send it to that contact. After the message has been successfully sent, click and hold the message you just sent until several options appear on the screen. Next, click Forward from the available options to begin sending the same message to multiple contacts. After that, click Select in the top right corner to choose the recipients for your bulk message. Then select the contact you want to send the message to by tapping on their name. You can select one or more contacts depending on how many people you want to receive the message. Once you have finished selecting the contacts, click the send icon in the bottom right corner to send the mass message to all the selected recipients. The mass message will be sent automatically to each chosen contact. Return to the main page to view the mass messages that have been sent and confirm that the message has been delivered successfully to the intended contacts.